This video will show you the 3 steps that you should complete when you're taking a quiz or a test. So the first thing that you want to do is that you want to go to our class internet website and download a copy of the quiz or test that you want to take. So go to the site, click the link, download it, print it out. In step 2, you're going to circle your answers on the hard copy of the quiz. So in this case, you can see that I went ahead and I just circled all the A answers just to use as an example. You want to go through the entire quiz or test, whatever you're taking, and circle all the answers that you feel are correct. Once you are done circling the entire test on the hard copy, then you'll be ready to load your answers into Blackboard. So step 3 is to open up Blackboard, go to the quizzes and test link, find the appropriate tests, and then you're gonna go ahead and enter your answers into Blackboard. So let me illustrate what I mean first, and then I will show you by actually opening up Blackboard. But in essence, as you can see on the image, what I'm doing is I'm taking my hard copy answers and I'm just transferring those answers by clicking the appropriate radio button that Blackboard is offering you within the test. So here, if it's the class policy test, as I'm giving the example, you see that question 1, it actually, for true-false answers, sometimes I'll put those in there because it's real easy. But in essence, you're just transferring. So you see I circled true on the hard copy. I'm circling the appropriate radio button. For question 2, because these questions and answers are much more complex, I'm using Blackboard as what, for those of you who are young enough to remember what a Scantron sheet is. A Scantron sheet, all you did was take your answers from the hard copy test and circle in with your number 2 pencil your answer. In essence, you're doing the same thing in Blackboard. So you can see for question 2, I circled A, and you can see on the right side of the screen that I circled A for the radio button. Same with number 3. If my answer is A, then I'm clicking the A radio button. Let's say I chose answer C instead of A, then I would click the C radio button. That's why you need both the hard copy and Blackboard open when you're going to answer the test, because you don't have the questions and the answers. All you have is sort of like the answer sheet of which you're going to answer the answers that you circled on your hard copy. So let me show you now in Blackboard Live how that'll work. Okay, so let me re-demonstrate what I just explained to you, but this time I'm going to do it inside Blackboard so it's live and you can see it firsthand. So again, you open up your class. In this example, I'm using Comms 4400, but all the classes are pretty much set up the same way. And you need to go to your quizzes and exams link, and you find the appropriate link for the test that you want to enter. So in this case, we're going to enter our answers to the class policy exam. So we click continue, and as you can see, you have simply the radio buttons. So that's why you need your hard copy of your test and the answers that you had circled. So in the previous example, I had said I had circled all A's. So all I'm doing is I'm taking my answer and simply loading the answers now into Blackboard by clicking the appropriate radio button, as you can see that I'm doing. So that's why it's important to download and print out the test first, answer it on the hard copy, and then when you're ready, simply load your answers into Blackboard. And that's it. And then when you're done, you save and submit.